This is now our video lessons in English for Quarter 2, Week 3. The reference that I am using is from Rainbows in English 4. This lesson can be found on page 71. Your teacher, Mr. Ray D. Montesilio. At the end of this lesson, you're expected to recognize simple sentences with noun complements or adjective complements. Please prepare the following: ballpen and paper. This is a sample worksheet paper that you're going to use. For today's lesson, you will learn simple sentences with noun complements or adjective complements. The column A is for noun complements with its examples. The column B is for the adjective complements with its examples. Number 1, we are Filipinos. The word Filipinos in here is considered as your noun. Number 2, I am an Ilocano. The word Ilocano is your noun. Number 3, father is an English professor. English professor is considered as noun. My teacher last year was Mrs. Sarmiento. Mrs. Sarmiento is considered as your noun. That is why we call it here noun complements. For the column B, adjective complements. For example, number 1, we are hospitable. The word hospitable here is considered as your adjective. Number 2, I am industrious. The word industrious is your adjective. Number 3, he is intelligent. The word intelligent is your adjective. Number 4, she still looks young. The word young is considered as your adjective. That is now, the following sentence can be considered as adjective complements. Now, let's focus on noun complement examples with the sentence pattern S plus LV plus N, which stands for S subject, LV linking verb, and noun. Common linking verbs are is, are, was, were, been, am. For example, for the noun complement, number 1, we are Filipinos. The word we in here is considered as your subject, and the linking verb, the word are, and your noun, the word Filipinos. So this is now what we call noun complement. For number 2, I am an Ilocano. The word I is your subject, the word am is your linking verb, the word an Ilocano is the noun. This is what we call noun complement. Number 3, father is your subject, is your linking verb, an English professor is your noun. So this sentence can be considered as noun complement. Number 4, my teacher last year was Mrs. Sarmiento. The word teacher here is your subject, and the word was is your linking verb, and the word Mrs. Sarmiento is your noun. This sentence can be considered as noun complement. Now, let's proceed to adjective complement with its sentence pattern. S stands for subject, LV stands for linking verb, AJ stands for adjective. Our common linking verbs are is, are, was, were, been, am. For example, number 1, we are hospitable. The word we is your subject, the word are is the linking verb, and the word hospitable is your adjective. That is why we consider this sentence as adjective complement. For number 2, I is your subject, am is the linking verb, industrious is the adjective. Then we consider this sentence as your adjective complement. Number 3, he is intelligent. The word he is your subject, is your linking verb, intelligent is the adjective. We consider this sentence adjective complement. Number 4, she still looks young. The word she is your subject, looks is the linking verb, and young is the adjective. This sentence can be considered as adjective complement. So those are all about the noun and adjective complement. Now let's answer. Use your own paper for this activity. Test 1. Underline the subject once and the complement twice, like that, and circle the linking verb. Then classify the sentence according to the pattern it follows. Number 1 is done for you. All you have to do is to continue answering from number 2 up to 9. For your test 2, fill in each blank with an appropriate complement as indicated. This activity can be found on page 73. You have to answer 1 up to 10. Example, the place where I live is Cebu. The word Cebu in here is a noun. Then the rest will follow. Always remember class, please keep your worksheets and pass it to the next submission every Monday. The video lesson in English has ended. Thank you for listening. God bless and goodbye.